Hello, guys. Welcome back with me, Chow Chow 2025. Today, we're diving into the world of data science with the amazing tool, Jupyter Lab. It's like a coding playground where you can explore data, create visualizations, and even build machine learning model. But before we start playing, we need to set it up on your local Windows machine. Don't worry. It's easier than you think. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the entire installation process. So grab your tea and let's get started. To install Jupyter Lab smoothly, you'll need a few things. First, a Windows PC. Any version from Windows 7 onwards will work. Python 3.6 or later, I have the video how to install Python. Link in the description. Currently, I mostly use Python 3.9 and sometimes 3.10. Make sure you also already set up the environment variables, or else pip will not work. Make sure you have these downloaded and installed before we proceed. If you want an easy but bloated way, you could use Anaconda, and you already good to go. But it will install so many things, and I think the license now has forbade it to be used for commercial use for free. For that, you need the paid version. For me, since we already install Python manually, we simply need to install Jupyter Lab or the classic Jupyter Notebook. What we need to do is simply open Command Prompt, either typing CMD in Run or in Windows Explorer folder and click Enter, or by typing it in Windows search bar. After it opens, you simply need to write pip install Jupyter Lab and click Enter. The installation process will run, and after that, you will already install Jupyter Lab. To run Jupyter, simply write Jupyter Lab and click Enter in Command Prompt. I suggest you do this in the directory that you want to use. Before we jump in, let's do some quick customization. Go to the Setting menu. Here, you can change the default language, theme, font, and even set up keyboard shortcuts. Remember, Jupyter Lab is all about interacting with notebooks. Click the New button and choose a notebook type. This is where you write your code and see the results instantly. It's like a science experiment playground. What fun of Jupyter Notebook is that? It's making great use of Python as interpreter, so you could run your program per code block, and the variable that are run before will be kept. You could also run the code in whatever order you like, but make sure you not mess the logic of your program. Of course, if this all feel complicated or you don't want to mess your own computer, you could always Google Colab, the free tier. It is the same thing as this, and you don't need to mess anything. The downside of Google Colab, you need to pip install everything that are not set up as default every time you come back to it. So, there you have it. You're now equipped with your own Jupyter Lab on your Windows machine. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing. So start creating notebooks, play with data, and don't be afraid to experiment. The possibilities are endless. If you have any questions or need further guidance, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Also, consider subscribing for more data science and coding tutorials. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and see you again on the next episode. Have a nice day.